Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Brave browser on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So one is through the Microsoft Store. You can open it by clicking on this icon here or searching for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and clicking on Microsoft Store. Search for Brave here and hit enter. The Brave browser is very well available on the Microsoft Store, so you can click on this and select install. Alternatively, you can search for it in Bing. So search for Brave browser and hit enter. Then click on the download button here and select get Brave for Windows. It will start downloading the installer. But you don't need this. I mean, a better option is through the Microsoft Store. I'll wait for it till it's done. And the Brave browser, actually they say that it is much better than Google Chrome. They say that it is way faster, it is way safer, and it does not save your private information, and it by default blocks all ads including YouTube ads. So click on yes, and then we can open the Brave browser and then we can search for whatever you want, for example youtube.com, and hit enter. And let us say that we need to search for some of our own videos. Now let us see if we encounter an ad. No, we didn't encounter any ad here. So this means that it's working ad free and it's a very good browser. I will always suggest downloading it. It also has a VPN connection, but that one is all a paid version, so I'll ignore that one, though it has a free trial. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.